Everyone, so I just released a new web app called Sorti, and basically it's an application that helps you establish design tokens for your design system. So this is what it looks like, and on the left hand side you can set your main core brand colors. So I've got a few pre-populated, and then underneath you can also set your main contrast background as well. And then on the right, we have the lightness planner. The app will automatically calculate the lightness of all of these corresponding core brand colors. So you can see the white is at lightness 100, your yellow is at 77, and in the brackets there, it will show you the true lightness value, but we will round it up and down to the nearest whole number. Green is at 59, red's 36, blue's 18, and black is 0. On the second line of the hover, we've got this degree of separation. So how much of a drop or how much of an increase or decrease is it from the previous and next color? And then also underneath, we'll see the WCAG contrast ratio as well. And we compare that to your contrast background. So here, if we're comparing it to pure white, FFF, then you're going to get a contrast ratio of 1.86. But if I was to change it to, let's say, EEE instead, then you're going to get a different contrast ratio because the background's changed. Now on the top, we have the optimized by lightness button. And what this does is it will evenly distribute lightness based on your core brand colors. And if I press sort, then you'll see a very nice progressive step all the way from your lightest color to your darkest colors. And they'll introduce what I've called candidates for your design tokens. There is some algorithm that I've put in to produce it, but I'm not going to go into the details here. But if you then go into the palette tab, then you'll see all the new lightness being fully represented and distributed and created for your color palettes. So the benefit of this is you will get a very consistent contrast ratio steps. So here, if you've got any that is, let's take 40 for example, all the colors at lightness 40 will be represented here. We'll give you the corresponding contrast value and whether or not they pass accessibility and to what degree. Another cool feature is on the top right, we have the accessibility for color blindness, so you can change the visual display, so how it would be represented if you did have color blindness. And then on the third tab, we have the 3D colors. So you can see a true representation of where all of your color sits in the 3D color spectrum. There is a toggle here, which you can enable, which will show you the full gamut of the available colors within each of the color space. And a really cool thing you can do is if you were to change your brand colors, for example, I'll change this yellow, you can see the graph will be updated simultaneously with the new colors. So if you're building your own design system, give this web app a try, and yeah, any feedback would be appreciated.